Good morning students. Now let us continue the modern periodic table. Yesterday already we have started. Now how the position of elements was made in modern periodic table. You know that the modern periodic table is based on the atomic number. After the discovery of atomic number, the Mendeleev's periodic was rearranged and all the elements they were arranged in increasing order of their atomic numbers. Now total 18 vertical columns were prepared and they are called groups, and 7 horizontal rows, that is called periods. So modern periodic table consists 18 groups and 7 periods. Now let us perform the activity 5.4 to place an element in certain group and periods. How they were arranged? The elements were arranged in periods and groups. Now look at the group number 1. Now if you see on page number 86, the table of the modern periodic table, group 1, that is hydrogen, lithium and sodium. First 3 elements of group 1 we take of modern periodic table. Now and name the element present in. So what are their names? Hydrogen, lithium, sodium. Now write down the electronic configuration of the first 3 elements of group 1. Now if you arrange them in different orbits, so hydrogen, its number is 1. So its first orbit only contain 1 electron. So electronic configuration in bracket you write 1. Now for lithium, its atomic number is 3. So electronic configuration will be 2, 1. In first orbit there are 2 electrons. Second orbit there is 1 electron. Now sodium, its atomic number is 11. So its electronic configuration is 2, 8, 1. Now what type of similarity you see in all these elements of group 1? So here in electronic configuration we see that there is only 1 electron in last orbit of the element. And how many valence electron? So valence electron means the electrons which are present in last orbit, and that is 1 in all the cases you have seen. So here element contain only same number of valence electrons. Similarly, if you find that the elements present in any group, here we have taken example of first group. If any group you take have same number of valence electrons. For example, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, the group number 17, all these elements contain 7 electrons in their last orbit. So their valency is 1. Because they need 1 electron to complete their octet. So here how many electrons? 2 fluorine and chlorine have there in outermost shell. Hence we can say that groups in periodic table signify an identical outer shell electronic configuration. On the other hand, the number of shells increases as we go down in the group. There is an anomaly when it comes to the position of hydrogen, because it can be placed either in group 1 or group 17 in the first period. So can you say why? So here if you see look at the modern periodic table, table 5.6, you will find that the element lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon are present in the second period, and we have to write their electronic configuration. Do these elements also contain the same number of valence electron? Do they contain the same number of shells or not? Now this is today's homework for you. You make the electronic configuration of the second period, lithium, barium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon. Tomorrow